Hello there, this is Timo, and at first I'm going to put the hammer to the side and explain what we are going to see today. So I already made a video showing you what happens to a hard disk drive when it's shaken really hard and bumped with a fist on it. Then someone mentioned, oh, that's a fake. But it wasn't, it was real. Therefore, I'm going to make this video today. We'll have this tablet computer here running Crystal Disk Info for the smart information and I/O meter to perform some disk I/O. I'm going to put this right over here first. This is the disk drive from the last experiment, and this is the same type, also a used one, old disk drive from Seagate, serial attached, ATA, capacity 250 gigabytes. Additionally, I'll have this hammer here, 300 grams, usual hammer used in the household to put nails in the wall or something, and cables in order to provide power and data connection of a disk drive to the tablet. And as a matter of fact, this tablet has only one port on the side. This is a USB, but it's a small one. This means we will have to use such an adapter cable on the tablet computer in the background. There's an I/O meter running. You can simply zoom in a bit here, which is performing I/O to exactly this disk drive. And there's a USB adapter connected to the tablet computer, going right here into this USB cable, going around there, and you can see cable here is going into this adapter, which itself is connected here to disk drive, and the disk is powered. And unfortunately, as I touched something wrong here, I/O meter stopped, and okay, so this was just a bit loose. So now you see it's true, it's a real setup, there's no fake going on. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is once again trying to hit the hard drive. At first, simply let's drop it again. I/O went down to 0. Disk still spinning. Not sure if the cable got disconnected again. Let's just check everything. Restart I/O meter test here. So it's ready to restart. Okay. So okay, this is working again. Before I'm going to hit the hard disk with a hammer, I'll have to explain that you please don't try this at home, and I'm wearing gloves and additionally those nice safety glasses, and I'm also using protection for my ears just in case something goes terribly wrong with this experiment, because the next thing I'm going to do is to apply a shock to the disk with this 300 grams hammer. So it's laying on the board. Small bump. This one got it. I do drop to 0 again. Disk seems to spin. Yeah, still spinning. Let's have a look at the smart values. If Crystal Disk Info is responding. Right now it's stuck. It's a says in the title line that it does not respond right now. Maybe I'm going to stop the IO meter. Check crystal disk mark again. Oh, it's not crystal disk mark, sorry for that. Crystal disk info, of course. Going to close that program because it's not responding. Yeah. Oh. Maybe the disk is dead already. Last time I didn't use a hammer, I just hit the disk with my hand or fist and dropped it, and this time I think the disk got killed. But at first the task is killed, or needs to be killed. So this one is also stuck. Ooh. So I'm going to disconnect the USB in order to clean up that, and this was a good idea. Is now going to reconnect the USB. Start crystal disk info. USB device not properly detected. So this time the experiment showed us using a hammer is too much impact for a hard disk drive. Last time the disk survived. Hopefully the camera can catch the sound. I'm going to hold it near to the microphone. I think it's called the click of death of this hard disk drive. That's it. It's really done.